Hey guys, welcome to TMT. It is a lovely Monday. Oh, so here in South Africa, it's actually a public holiday today, which is cool. It means I've been relaxing the whole day. So cool. I've also been sick this past week. That's been lots of fun. Okay, but let's see what I missed. Apparently not too much though. So let's have a look-see, right? So as you can see, I've kind of marked all the swing lows and everything that's been going on throughout the day. Basically all the swing highs have been taken except for that New York high from Friday. So it kind of looks like it's headed that direction at a decent pace. Yeah, this market has just been flying up. I mean, look at all this liquidity down here, right? So I'm super curious to see what happens. So far, everything seems to be very bullish, which is great. You know, awesome. Yay for bullish. So now we just wait and see what happens next, right? So we're gonna have a look-see. I hope you guys can hear me nicely. How's that? That better? Of course. Boop. And we keep going up. Okay, so here's the new weekly opening gap. I did mark it there for in case, but this has already come in and taken everything there. So I'm just gonna move this to there, where it basically just came and took everything. Do I think it has much of a significance? Meh. You know, I know some people do. I know some people like swear by it. Some people actually base their strategies off of it, which is awesome. If you guys want to teach me how that works and, you know, the success rate, cool. That would be awesome. I have been doing a little bit of back testing. As you can see, I have a GAN system going on here. So again, I'm also had a relook at my consolidation one. I was almost gambling a little bit too much. I wasn't making it quite, yeah. I was almost gambling a little bit, which is not what we want, right? We are here to do serious, proper, back-tested diff. I thought it worked, but with how Friday was, because Friday was so choppy. Friday was not fun. I did not enjoy Friday's trading session, personally. I don't think I waited long enough though, because if you have a look-see, I was here, it was just up and down, 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 and then it just took off. What time is this? At like 6:20. It did what I had been waiting for it to do, basically. And I just wasn't there, which is really, really fucking sad. I missed that, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. Let's see if we have better luck today. I'm really hoping we do. It would be so fucking cool if we do. Let's see. Oh, so what I want to do, what I haven't done yet, so you guys can come with me for this fun. I say fun. I mean, what? Where are we at? There we go. 18. So we have 10 minutes before New York opens. In those 10 minutes, let's label our highs and lows in our ES. It gives me a nice indication. I mean, check how it's nearly taken this high. So that's the only one I've labeled, as you can see. My goodness. I see that is one of the only highs left at the moment, though. So that's great. And it won't let me go further for the moment. Very frustrating, but it's fine. Okay, let's mark all of our lows. No, that one's taken, that one's taken. Okay, cool. So, here's a low. When was this? So that was still on Friday. Cool. Just so that we can all see what I'm doing. I don't want that. I want it to be a swing low. There's a ton of liquidity. I don't know why I whispered that, but anyways, there is so much liquidity sitting with all of these swing lows at the moment. It's actually a little bit scary. There's some equal lows as well. Yeah. There's another. This is still on Friday, guys. Sure. That's not right. And it is a swing low. Cool. Oh, I need to relax. It's been a long day. I said it's been a long year, which is saying a lot, seeming as... I mean, we're nearly in May, which is scary to think, right? But it just feels like it's been short. It hasn't taken that yet. Second, I thought I was here making unnecessary markers. Apparently not. Ooh, there's some equals. Almost perfectly equal. Okay. Literally, check it out, sure. All of these lows. It's so wild. Okay. So many lows and yeah, barely any highs left to actually take, which there we go. Again, makes me go like, is this where we start becoming a bearish chart? I highly doubt it though, just with everything. Hi. We have to have our daily hello from the bean. Oh. You can't hear him. He's making a bunch of, like, noises. Oh, okay, he doesn't. There we go. He didn't want to say hi today. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm getting distracted. The world's best distraction. He's my little fur baby. I have... Oh no, that one was taken. Interesting, it was not taken on Nasdaq. It was taken here on ES. Just shows. Sure, still hasn't taken that New York high, and all the highs have been bloody taken. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's more somewhere else. But I haven't just, you know, gone into or gone far enough back yet to label. But at the moment, there we go. There it is searching. Cool. Okay. Sure. Okay. ES is a whole lot stronger than Nasdaq today, which is interesting. Well, I'm assuming this is all now waiting for the market to open. In how long? 5 minutes or so. So I'm not gonna do anything, place any trades, especially while everything is a tad bit volatile. Just, you know, a wee little bit. I'm sure it's gonna be I don't know how busy it's going to be today, actually. Soon to find out, I guess. And then I also know on Wednesday there is news, so you will not be seeing me on Wednesday. I'm not even gonna bother. I have a feeling it's just gonna be choppy and all over the place, and well, either choppy and all over the place, or it's just gonna be fucking madness. I'm not at that level yet to be a part of the madness. Thank you very much. I will deal with the more sane things, right? So I'm just watching the ES. Let's see what happens. Okay. So, in other news, how are all my millions of followers doing? I have to make jokes, right? I know I'm still very, very new at this. yeah, it's just been quite a nice chill day actually. I'm not gonna complain. Oh, I'm gonna fix my makeup though. Good. I think it's so. My guess. So on the ES, I don't know if you can check how close it is to that New York high. So my guess is that it's going to come and take this and then go down. Maybe not for the whole time. Because I guessed that for like 2 days last week, and that was very fucking wrong. So it might not be the whole time. I do think it's going to come sweep that liquidity. It's the New York high from Friday. It's going to come sweep that liquidity and then be a little bit in a bearish for a little bit. Maybe not constantly, but definitely for a little bit. So out of curiosity, right? So this is me playing around with the GAN. So if we went here, there's the tiniest, don't know if you guys can see. Let's just keep an eye on the time. How long do we have? 5 minutes? 4 minutes. Okay. Oh, there it's taken the liquidity, and are we going to be bearish now? Was it going to push? Nah. There, but for how long? Because it hasn't taken it on Nasdaq. I know ES pushes Nasdaq, but still. Let's see what happens next, right? Sure. That's a rather large candle going on in the ES. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I might be saying I'm not gonna lie too often, and that's fine. You guys can deal. So playing around with again, right? So there, not really. Here was a little one. I'd put it there. Wouldn't have been tagged in. And then there would have been a new one. So then I would have deleted that one. And been like, okay, here's a new one. And then there's a new one. So now let's see if this one would have tagged us in. So it would have been there. Okay, then we would have moved it to there. Still not tagging. Would have moved it to there. Still nothing. Would have moved it to there. Tagged in. Would have broken even there. So this, the blue one I take as my break even line. So would have broken even and then gone for bloody 3R, of course. You know, it's, as I say, rather have a break even, right? This one I don't even think would have tagged us in. Just looking at it here. I did call this. I'm just saying, see, I'm slowly getting better at figuring out what's happening, which is exciting. Wow, that's a massive jump on the ES. Holy crap. Cool, market hasn't even opened yet. There's still 2 minutes until market opens, and it's looking like this. I'm in danger. Excuse me, just talking shit. I'm trying to decide if it's hot or cold. I don't know. All I know is my hair is a lot. But I'm half Portuguese. Surprise! That means a lot of fucking hair. So I have so much hair. This isn't even all of it. Just by the way. This is part of it. It's just, yeah. But it's fine. It's fine. Sorry, the leather jacket's a little bit poofy when it's not closed. Holy shit. We have 1 minute to go before this market opens, and it is dumping so fucking hard at the moment. Let's see what happens now. I'm not fucking doing a degen because fuck that. If I was, I would have been like, clearly it's a bear, which would have made me question, would it be a bear or is it going to surprise us? And as the market opens, it's going to shoot up again. Anyone have any bet? Put it in your comments what you think it's going to be. I think it's just gonna ping. Check, it's already starting to. Oh no, oh shit. Well, at least I was right about that. There's that swing low gone. Fuck. Cool. Oh, I should probably mark this. Hey. Here is London High. Just, but it's London High. Holy crap. Okay. Gonna have to shrink that down so everyone can see what the hell's going on here. Now do we start pushing up? So took this liquidity that was sitting here. And now we are... Where's the liquidity here? Is there not one sitting here? Oh, I didn't mark that one sitting here. Like a fool. I thought I marked everything. Oh, I did not even get close to marking everything. Okay, well, it's so volatile because I'm not gonna... I'm not touching that. Not while it's like this, at least. Boom, 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 boom. Later, I might come back and be like, okay, we are ready. But with the jumping around like a funny bunny, I'm not gonna do it. Yes, I just said like a funny bunny. Okay? Don't judge. It's Monday. My brain's allowed to be half here. Like I said, it's Monday. I can be half awake for once. It's nice. Ta-da! And there. Okay. Did it. Anyways. Still counts it as bearish. No, I just missed one. Not bearish. Jesus. Wow, this is quite wild. There's quite intense stuff going on at the moment. Maybe a little bit bigger. There we go. Let's watch what's happening here. Oh, now we're going down. Again. Okay, so that's that gone. I doubt this is gonna be... Oh, it still hasn't taken the New York high here on the Nasdaq. Wowee. Is this the day we're going for all of our swing lows? Possibly. I must say, today, these two are looking rather different. I know there's always some difference, right? But there's some major differences going on right now betwixt the two of these. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I mean, there is a big candle. Out of curiosity, right? I'm not gonna put one because it's still way too volatile. I'm just... This is still running away. You know, I'm letting curiosity get the best of me. 23 seconds, 20 seconds to go. Let's see, I'm letting curiosity, you know, it's kind of like back testing, but as it's happening. And I'm not gonna lose money, which is awesome. It's the day it comes for all this liquidity sitting here. Probably. Would this be... Now it's taken this. It's one swing low gone. I mean, theoretically, there's a few that have gone. I just didn't mark all of them. This is gonna have to be a very large jump to get tagged in. haven't placed one because not yet. Just not yet, because wow. Just wow. I'm gonna feel like a dumbass probably for this. It's just a little bit too risky at the moment. I'm not super keen on risking all that. So I would have moved this down slightly. Okay, let's see, right? I haven't been tagged in yet. Haven't been tagged in yet. Let's see. That may have been a tag in. Just, right? And now going down. Would have been to break even there. If this actually goes all the way down, I'm gonna be a bit upset. Oh, here we go. Like, you must be fucking kidding me. Let's see what happens. 15, 14. No. Now it's climbing again. Let's see what happens. It's going to 1 and... Sure, there's some serious selling going on at the moment. Holy crap. So, still would be in this trade if that tagged me, like, yeah, if it tagged me in being the key thing. Still at break even. This would be a total bummer, and I just said total bummer. This would be such a total bummer, dude. I promise I don't fucking talk like that. I talk like a normal human being. Sometimes I say weird shit, but that's not what I mean. I mean, I talk crap, but I don't sound like a dumbass. Well, see, now I'm just digging my own grave. Let me just stop talking. Huh. This is a very big consolidation going on right here. And still in somehow. Well, oh, that was a big hiccup. Ooh. Oh, my body didn't know what to do with itself. Okay, moving on. Sorry. Still, there we go. Okay, so this would have been a break even. So not bad. It's consolidating. Looking like it wants to be bearish. No, bullish. Sorry, not bearish. According to ES. These are just really big candles. I don't know if this is a wise choice. 20 seconds. It seems to be pushing for a bearish. Seems to be. Oh, there we go. Again, I think it's a little... It's not that early, and... would have been tagged in. Would have been good. Fuck. Don't doubt your strategy, okay? This one we have backtested now. What the hell is it searching for? Always do a limit order. I do think it's too far gone. There we go. It makes it all the way to the fucking 2R. Let's see. Let's see what happens if I was a dumbass. Or if this is actually gonna be something. If this becomes fucking choppy again, I'm gonna be unimpressed. Can I've lost that one. Would have been a good one. I'm just waiting for it to be a little less volatile, but I guess, you know, I should have actually taken that one. Just waiting to see if it would have gone all the way up. It's gonna take this and then go back down. Okay, so very, very bullish at the moment. Cool. Cool. Noted. Let's see what happens now. So we're going, no, we stopped going. Oh, it's fucking around with that liquidity. They're gonna come and take it. I didn't mark it on this one, did I? No, maybe because there might be none. Huh, because there is none. Bloody hell, ES is strong today. Holy shit. Cool. Oh, there we go. Took that. I'm annoyed at myself. I should have trusted this. Okay. It starts to consolidate again. It'll probably be a... Oh, just missed it. Let's see if this is the last little push up. That would have gotten me a 2R for the day. That feels great, guys. That would have been a win. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, I guess. Fucking idiot. Ah, it's fine. It's fine. It was volatile. These are really big candles. We gotta make sure that we are headed in the right direction. That would have been a win. Would have been a nice 2-hour win. Oh shit, it's still going up. I really thought so. Those of you who just joined. Hi. The liquidity provider. Hi. I didn't get it. Before you get excited. I didn't get it. Yep, don't get too excited. I wish. It would have been fucking amazing. I was just, yeah. I should have. Look at it go. I know. I know. I know you were. I'm upset. I mean, look at this go. I could have even put it higher, but I stopped it right by and now took it off. The London high was right there. And I stopped it just by the London high. And look at it run away now. Just because I didn't. I was like, you know, it's a little bit volatile. Maybe it's not worth doing it just yet. Famous last words. It would have been fucking perfect, actually. But it's fine. It's fine. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens next. ES is still climbing. Now Nasdaq looks a little bit stronger than ES. Maybe I was wrong. ES has just been pumping today, sure. If it starts to consolidate, it might go... What do you think? Long or short if it starts to consolidate? I think it might be a short. But, yeah. Let's see, I think it might go short for a little bit and then go back. It's very bullish recently. I don't know. Oh. Never mind. There goes that. Let me just shut up. Like, this is ridiculous, actually. I mean, this is quite a hectic climb that's happening at the moment. So if I had made a 3R, it would have taken it already. There's the 3R. Wow. That would have been a bloody good trade. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. If it consolidates, I think it might go down a little bit. Not that much though. That's the only thing. You know, so it's a bit of a, where would you put your stop if it does go down? Or it might just surprise me now and it might just go pew and go all the way down. I guess we're soon to find out. Ooh, it looks like it might be consolidating a little bit. Again, these are large-ish candles. So let's see what happens. Are we? Kind of. Aha, we are indeed. No liquidity and... Okay, so long is what I'm hearing. I mean, not long. Bloody hell. Short. I think it's taken all the liquidity now. I mean, I say that. It took the liquidity and kept on climbing, especially on the ES. Unless there could be older liquidity on the ES that I don't have. That is very possible. Ah, no! I'm too late! Shit! Or am I? Wait, if I'm quick. If I'm quick. Make it 2. Put it there. Hasn't gone out yet. It's around half. I think it's still deciding. Okay, let's do this. 7. 6 is a good. Let's make it a stop. If it bounces up, I'm going to be upset. You must be joking. Must be joking. Did you see that? I can make it a limit, but now I don't know what it's gonna do. No, it's not even gonna come all the way up for a limit. It might. Okay, I'm gonna make it a limit. Maybe I'm lucky. And it says okay. So I wouldn't have been tagged out. Haha. I would definitely fucking be a break even, at least. It's gonna run away now. Oh, there it goes. Bye. I thought it would consolidate a little bit longer. Apparently not. Apparently it's on a mission today. Shit, chickadee yes. Holy moly. Okay. No, that's gone. I don't think there's... Wait. No, that's pretty much gone. I mean, I could maybe be... Okay, let's cancel it. Okay. Is today just the day of almost, apparently? Look at this. Backtesting wise, awesome. Going well. Trading wise, there I may have been tagged out. Either just or I just missed being tagged out. Well, you know, taking profit, not tagged out. Okay, let's see. So, testing wise, today's going really well. I think we have a very solid, very solid plan. That would have been 2 wins in a row. Would have being the key word. I was just too slow. And it makes me want to cry a little bit. I might just start crying on the live, and that's fine. It's fine. You know what? It is what it is. Let's see. I think we're now... If we consolidate... Maybe this is my chance. Go, 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 go. Okay, here's some consolidation. Let's see if it goes. I'm not going to be too slow again. We are not doing that again. That is rubbish. Off. What's that? Where is that at? Let's put it at 2 for now. Okay. It's going to be a stop. Going to make it 5. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to put it on now. Might be pointless because it looks like all that's happening right now, but are we climbing again? We might actually just be climbing again. Did it came and it took... No, it didn't even take that little bit of liquidity. ES order block. This one. I see. Let's see what's happening. Okay. Oh, it did. It bounced off the ES. I see. Yeah. Is it gonna go down now, though? It looks like it's slowly melting. I'm hoping I get back in this. Okay, close. No. And, okay, we're back in. If it fucking goes up now. Okay, that's all I'm saying. If it goes up now, I'm gonna be upset. Okay, so we're going. When it gets around here, I'm gonna move it to break there. When it goes around there, I'm gonna move it to break even. Please melt. Please melt. Come on. Do me a solid, right? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. I just missed 2 wins. If I have a loss now, I might actually... I don't even know. Just start crying on the live. That'll do well. You not want views. Having a hissy fit on live, I'm sure is a good way to go. Okay. I'm too scared to watch, but I have to check. Wait. Okay, I'm moving it. To break even. Okay. Please don't bounce up now and tag me out. Go down. Go down. Thank you. Okay. Now I'm too scared to look. Oh my gosh, please. Please, 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 please. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Look at all this yummy liquidity right here. That's all. That's all I'm gonna say. There's so much. I know it's only a 2R. I mean, I could have actually dragged it all the way down here. No, it's fine. Let's have at least one win for today. Shit, because ES is right by the swing low. I'm gonna watch the ES. The second ES takes that swing low, I will call it. Let's see. Okay. It's very close on the ES. Let me watch, let me watch. I'm waiting, waiting, waiting. Did this last week. Gets close to that bloody... There we go. Oh, this is intense. Let's see. Come on. Push. Push. I'm watching that ES swing low. That's what I'm waiting for. Here we go. No, wait. Wait. It's so close. I'm still watching. And are we done? We're nearly out. We're nearly out. Fuck! No! I should have put it at 3R, but you know what? You know what? It is a win after Friday, which was a disaster. I mean, if I'd moved it down there, it probably would have been closer to 3R. But, oh, check, it's gonna come for all this liquidity now. If there's another little bit of a consolidation, I'm gonna keep going. I think today is the day of shorts. Okay, let's do a little tick. Because we did it. There we go. Little tick. We're winning. Let's see where we're at. Okay. Oh, we're slowly... Oh, it's gonna come for all of these swing lows now. Holy shit, ES is bumping today. Oh, wait. I did not mean to cancel that one. Oopsie. Check at ES. Holy moly. Okay, if there's a consolidation, I'm back in for the shorts. Shit, I should have probably made it a little bit longer, but this is stressful. Okay, if it consolidates, I'm back in, baby. I just need it to consolidate a little bit, or else it's a little bit of a risque. Unless I do... Shit. ES is... Yeah. Crap. I should have gone for the long haul. Check at this. But it does. It has to do that. It has to fuck around in my trade. And then the second I'm out, it just goes, now we melt. You know, naturally. Because it likes to mess with me. Yeah, it took those equals. Ooh, 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 ooh. Is this it? Is this it? This might be it. Let's see. Do a little one here. Okay. There. Okay, let's see. Should we do it by the Asia low? Let's put it at 3. Where's 3? There's 3. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna just watch this a little bit. I'm gonna get this ready though. Lesson learned. Stop. Fucking sell. Okay. Let's see. I may be being a little bit greedy with this one. There's liquidity, there's some more liquidity. Fuck, this thing is pumping. Holy moly. Oh, there was a... Shit. Come on, stay down, stay down, stay pushing. Those you didn't see, there was some equal lows there and the London low that it was reaching for. I really hope it's reaching for all of this. I've been waiting. Literally, the Thursday and Friday, I was convinced it was going to come for all of this. Thursday and Friday, I was waiting for the lows. And now, don't do it. Go back down. There we go. All of Thursday and Friday, I was waiting for it. No! Go back down. Okay. I know it took a little bit of a chance. That was not really... wouldn't really call that a consolidation, but... I saw my opportunity to try and jump back in to this, which may have been a little bit risky. A little bit risky. But it really is melting and looking for all this liquidity. Checking it still, is it? Yeah, it's still melting on ES. So that's what I'm watching now on ES. It is still going on ES. So that's what I'm also watching, because I know ES pushes Nasdaq. ES pushes Nasdaq. Let it go down. Go down. There we go. Come on, ES. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Look at all these lows. Look at all that liquidity. Oh no, I'm gonna get tagged out. Back. Yeah, there's a loss. So, would have been being the keyword. Would have been 3 wins. Yes, 3 wins, 1 loss. Did I just jump into this too quickly? I'm having a look, so I'm just trying to figure out which is the best way to go when it comes to this. So if I'd done the GAN, because there's a very nice fair value gap there. Yeah, the backtesting went... The GAN is questionable. Let's see. If it works, it works. But if it does this, like it did today, like with these massive candles, it's just not going to come back into it. Wait, watch, it's going to come back into it now just because I fucking said that. But the back testing has been going well, so this would have... That's difficult to tell now because of those thingies. There we go. It probably would have been a loss with the GAN if I'd done the GAN as well. Okay, so then I feel better. It's not because I was being a little bit risky. If I'd gone there's a fair value gap. Let's put a GAN there. Reached up. Yeah. I mean, to be fair... That was me. That was me. I was a little bit too eager there. Because I really thought it was going to melt all the way down to here. So... It probably still will. It's probably going to go up a little bit. Might hit around here. Let me check the 2 minute if there's an order block there. Not really. There's the order block though. Isn't really one for here. There is, it would be... No, it's not a great one. Yeah, I do think it's going to have a pullback. I just drew the order block for there. Okay. You go there. Will even get that high? Took that. No, I think it is definitely still going to be a short day. Get it? A day full of nice shorts. Just gonna pop that there just so that all this is out the way. So here, it's not really an order block, that one. He's definitely not on the 2 minute. On the 2 minute, this is a very nice order block. I I don't think it's gonna climb all the way up there though. That's a bit high. But maybe later in the day it will. It might climb all the way, tap this order block, and then sink. Melt again. Okay. Yeah, it's consolidating. I'm gonna make sure it's consolidating properly this time. At least like 3. Those tend to work. Nope, not really. They're not consolidating. Oh, it is jumping, so I moved that. That's great. I was not supposed to do that. Here we go. I did see it just tapped and then went back up again. Oh, maybe it is an order block. I mean, order block. Silly biscuits, not an order block. Put it around there. Am I going to be too slow again? Is this one going to run away? Oh, it is too. Look at it go. See, this here. That's what I was hoping for. Oh no, wait. Okay. This is going to be... Okay, no, so it is still messing around a bit. Cool. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I don't think it's gonna come and bounce off of this. This is a little mitch. I do still think short, but I'm just gonna give it a little bit of time. Not get overly excited like last time. Tell myself to calm down. Put it around just before that liquidity. Okay. Okay, this one seems good. Make it a stop. 5. Shit. Do it. Okay, so I'm not in yet. It's therefore in case. If it does go that far down. Now we're going back up. Okay, so we are still dicking around. So maybe this is not a great one to be in. The order block might. I mean, the order block. Can you tell it's Monday? Yeah. I'm not too sure if I'm trusting this right now. Let me cancel this. Let's redo this quickly. On this one. Around there. Around there. Oh, that's not on the... There we go. That's better. Alright, maybe we are gonna go bullish. Is today a day of jumping around and figuring out what's happening? Kind of looks like that, huh? Oh, and there we go. Some liquidity sitting. Obviously, there's a bunch, but I mean, they're quite far away now. So this is quite far for ES. Well, I say far, it's not that far. Closer than that. Okay, let me get rid of these lines now. Still doesn't know what it wants to do. Cool. So bias is still short. Awesome. I'm sticking with short because, yeah. Everything is definitely in a very short mood today. So we're gonna go short. Would I move? No. Okay. A little bit there, but it's fine. Let's see what happens now. Listen, the buyers are pushing, but I think those sellers are going for it. I'm probably gonna have to redo that now. Let's move this. Yeah. So it's still right? Yep. Still right for when it decides what it wants to do. Oh my gosh, it looks like it might decide what it wants to do. Let me make sure I'm ready for when it decides what it wants to do. Stop it. Okay. So I am in. Hopefully it melts now. Okay. We are melting. That's good. Keep melting. Please and thanks. Ooh, I could actually move this down. Do I? What is this? It's a 2.15. I could maybe push it for 3. Let's see. Keep melting. Oh my gosh. The bias is sure. Okay. What the hell? That was just dumb luck. Well, not dumb luck, dumb unluck. That's not a word, but still. What the hell? Okay. That was a no. I really thought that was it. That was it having its moment, but apparently not. This might be it. Don't know if it's a bit soon though to try and do that. What I need to try and figure out is how many candles would we count as a consolidation? I mean, theoretically, this whole big thing here is a consolidation. It's kind of. This one here, no. Watch it start melting now. That'll be lots of fun for me. Let's see here. It's definitely a better consolidation. Okay, so 3 minimum. So this looks like it's starting to be one. Okay. Definitely starting to be one. Still in there. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's count this one now. There. Put it to there. Okay. I'm still going short. Maybe it's dumb. I don't think so. But it looks like it's a bearish day, so you guys are just gonna have to bear with me. Make it a stop order. Let's see. Okay, this is now a consolidation. I'm happy with this one. Okay. I'm really scared. I'm so scared it screws me around like last time. Because if it flipping jumps up, I hope it won't, but you know. Ooh, it is messing around. Okay. Do not jump up. It's a sell stop. I'm comfortable with the sell stop as long as it doesn't. Oh, wait. No, it's still in the box. Kind of. Kind of. Don't jump. Okay, we're good. Okay. Here's a proper consolidation. I feel better with this. That was me being dumb. Fine. No? Nope. There we are out of the box. Okay. 44 seconds left. It seems to be bullish. Nope. Ignore me. Fuck do I know? Loves to come and prove me wrong. Promise you. If you ever need it to go your way, just ask me to say the opposite of what you want, and then it will come and fucking do that. Backtested that. Okay, let's see. It does seem to be pushing bearish. I mean, bullish. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a proper Monday. Wonder if it's searching for this and then gonna pop back down? I mean, it's possible. It's just so much liquidity sitting underneath it. So much liquidity sitting underneath it. Actually, stupid amounts of liquidity sitting underneath it. Still hasn't broken out properly as a solid candle. I'm gonna leave it. This is a pretty solid, Oh, just again. What did I just say? I literally just said, if you wanted to do something, come ask me to say the opposite. It will just go and prove me wrong. I swear it's its favorite pastime. 10 seconds. Let's see. ES still looks bullish. I don't know what it's pushing for. Could be pushing for this little bit of liquidity here. Please? Okay, well, you know what? If it goes up now, we're still good. If it tags me in and goes up now, I'm gonna be pissed off. Really? Okay, I mean, looking at this, I could have made this a little bit smaller. I don't know if I should quickly risk changing things. I mean, could it have been if I just moved that up? Nah, this is fine. It's fine. Okay. Okay, cool. It's okay. Excellent. Okay, let's see. It's still pushing bullish. Is it doing that? Are they doing that? Are they doing that to try and trick us though? Get us excited, get us to get our long orders in and then just take everyone out? Probably. Well, at least I'm safe with where I am right now. Has to melt pretty decent. I mean, I say that for look at some of these candles. I think this is going to be the breakout though. Is it? If NQ's weaker, is that a good thing? Okay. See? Learning things. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, here we go. This is a hell of a lot of consolidation going on. Whatever's about to happen, either bullish or bearish, is going to be a massive one. Here we are, hoping for bearish. We just gotta grin and bear it. I'm always gonna say these lame jokes, okay? It's just part of the fun. It has to be fun or else you're doing it wrong. And I have to say the lame jokes. It's part of it. Is this it? Is this the push? Don't freeze. There we go. I wonder if this is the push we have. Nope. Still messing around. Shit. This is ridiculous. Is this it? This might be it. This is it. Haha! This is it. I'm not in yet. Get me in. I'm in! I'm in! Okay. Now melt. Melt all the way down. Just go. Just go. Melt, you bastard. Go. I can't. I don't wanna look. I'm scared. Please melt. Please melt. Like, come on. You can't even say I was not, you know, I was being dumb with this one. This one, we waited. And we're very good with this one. Melt down. Go. Stop fucking around. Why are we fucking around? Shit, is there order block here? What the fuck was that? What the shit? Oh, you're right. And then it just went, fuck you. That was mean. What the hell? So it just took all of these little bits of liquidity and went, okay, cheers. So theoretically, I actually should have put the stop below those. Okay, well now I know. When there's a shit ton of consolidation like this, if you put a stop, put either below. That was unnecessarily mean. I don't think that was nice, but it's fine. It's whatever. Okay, so that's 3 losses. I'm not doing well again. I mean, I would have been doing well. Oh my gosh. What are we on? Okay, so we're still on 50. If there's one more loss, I'm gonna have to call it. 2, 4, 6. Yeah. If there's one more loss, I'm calling it. I'm upset because this would have started beautifully. And now it's just fucking around. That was really unnecessary. It's fine. Oh, it's okay. It's gonna melt now, isn't it? You little bitch. What the fuck? that was so mean. Flip. Okay. Oh, cool. So if it consolidates now, it's 50-50 because all that taken. Didn't take that. All this taken. If it starts doing what it did on Friday, where it's just jumping around. Yeah. And here we go again. No? Watch it melt now to where I wanted it to go in the first fucking place. Did you also get into that trade? I agree with you. I think it wants done. There's so much still that it hasn't gotten. I mean, check it all this. There's a lot down here. It's been, yeah, it's been bullish the last while. Same order again. Okay. Same spot and everything. Let's try. Same. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Wait, a little bit lower. Just by there. Let's be quick. 5. Okay. Do not screw me over. Nope, I must do a stop. There we go. Don't screw me over. Okay, we're good. Let's see. Consolidating, and now I hope it melts. If it starts messing around again, I'm gonna be upset. A proper upsetty spaghetti. Okay. Same order again. Here we go. Okay. It's really stressful, actually. Yo. And some people just, oh, here we go. Here we don't go? Okay, I'm in. And this is where I can't watch anymore. If it fucking starts climbing. If you dare. What? $1939. No, man, that's going down. Oh, 19. Are you serious? So all the way down to basically. Okay. Okay. Let's. Oh, I moved that down. Go for big time. Let's do it. Are you sure? 392. Okay. No, wait, 3. Where's the 392? Modify. So it's right by that Asia low. Yeah, for a second I thought you meant like down here. I was like, okay. So let's see. That would be a 4R. Okay. When it reaches there, I'll move it to my break even. Let's do this. I mean, it's already climbing down, right? So let's go for it. There's equal lows there. Ah, I see. Keep going down, you bastard. Don't do that. Go, go, go. Okay. Should I move it to break even? Probably. Okay, I'm moving it to break even. Modify. So it did go past there. Okay, now. Okay. Now we wait. Yeah. Let's see. You know, and this is why it's Teach My Trading. You guys have suggestions and I'm gonna go with it. And we're gonna see if it works. If it doesn't, then I don't feel bad because it's not on me. If it wins, then thank you. Okay. So let's see. So that's where it was. Oh. Holy cow. Check it out on ES. It will be amazing if it wins. Stay down though. Shit. I don't know if it will though. Seems to be climbing back up. It can go down. It wouldn't have even taken there. If it's doing the bullshit it did the other day, where it's just jumping up and down, I will, yeah. I'll have a little mini hissy fit because that was not fun. Okay, at least... Come on. Melt, you bugger. There's some liquidity sitting here. Hasn't taken there yet. On ES. No. It's gonna be break even, and there we go. Wouldn't have even hit where I wanted it to go. It's going to be doing this jumping around thing again. I can almost see it happening. But I'm just thinking, right, because there's a... Nope. I wouldn't even say I didn't get in early enough. Like... Is it just me, or does it seem to be a little bit choppy again today? Like, not in the beginning. When it opened, it was fucking amazing. Was really, really good when it opened. Here was the consolidation and just shot up. Why are they doing this? Is it just my trading view where it has a minute that's disappeared? Is that just mine having a moment? I mean, there and there would have been amazing. There would have been 3 wins right there. I probably would have called it a day there. They're now searching for this liquidity. Is there an order block here? Not really. Okay. I mean, it took all that liquidity. The only liquidity is now kind of sitting there. Is it doing this choppy shit again? Like Friday. Friday it was just not doing much. Which case I must just be doing 1 hours. So that's going all the way back up now. Let's see how it looks here. It didn't even take that liquidity on the ES. This is what it started doing last week. It would just come and then it would start going up again. Like, it's not really... Okay. What do you think? Are we just being all choppy and weird today? I feel like it's all choppy. Well, let's see. It's still early, right? Yeah, it's only 4:30. It's still very early. 1 minute's just very exciting. This was the 5 out of curiosity, because now it's just fucking around, but let's see the 5 minute. Holy moly. Okay, let's do this. That stops bugging me. Oh, nearly would have been stopped on the 5. Oh, I would have been a break even on the 5. Would have gone all the way up there, stop me out, and then come down, break even, and break even. Okay. So nothing new on that one. That one a bit of disaster. Sure. Yeah. Was the 5 minute, not much would have happened by now. One thing would have been a break even. At this point, I would have. I'm counting them. I know I shouldn't. Theoretically, I should have had 3 wins. But then I probably would have called it in the first, what's that? In the first half an hour. I would have been like, okay, I'm done. But then I wouldn't have had these fucking losses, so maybe it would have been the way to go. Anyways, so 1 win, 1 proper win, 3 losses, 1 break even. And it seems to be doing this again now. Let's see. Here's a bit of a consolidation, right? A little bit. Yeah. But which go long? Okay. Nope. Nope. Would have been a short. Fuck. I'm checking to see if it would have gotten to that order block. Shit. Oh, wait. Would have only gotten in there. $1.6 if I'd been a 1 would have gotten me already. Sorry. Getting over a flu. At least I'm better now. So days like this. Watch it come and prove me wrong now. Okay. Choppy days. I think just have to be 1 hours. Place limit. Cool. I'll place limit. In case. This one's closer. Okay, let's see. I should maybe make this bigger, but it's fine. I didn't lose money with that one, did I? I did. What the shit? Fuck. I didn't even... Oh, it did tag me in. No! How did that happen? Well, thank heavens I went for the lower one, hey? Pickers. Okay, let me just put this here. No. I'm gonna have to trade one last time, and if it's a loss, I'm gonna have to call it for the day. Because this is getting sketchy again. So when it's like this, it seems the better way to go is to just do... Call it now. Okay. Okay, calling it. But when it's like this, it seems the better way to go is to just have a bunch of 1 hours. I don't know if that's weird. So like here, this would have gotten in and tagged me out and would have been a win. Here, it actually was at 1 hour and it would have been a win. So there's one. So you see it would have tagged me in 1 hour. Could this have been the same? No, okay, that one wouldn't have. No, that one wouldn't have, but that one was just mean. That one just tagged me in and fucked off. Maybe just for now, especially while it's like this, 1 hour is just the way to go. But then you feel dumb when it's a big one. I will do that. I mean, let me quickly test it now. I will draw, because here's a little bit of a consolidation forming. Let's see. I'm not going to place anything because today again, it's just a bit of fuck you day apparently. Bloody rude. Okay, so let's do... Okay, let's pretend we got this one in for a long. Right, here we go. Put it at 50, make it 1 hour. I mean, we're not putting anything, I could do both. Nah, let's test both. Let's see if it had been that one or this one. Here we go. Would have been tagged in. Now it's fucking around, so maybe it wouldn't have been the way. I mean, that wasn't really a consolidation, to be fair. That wasn't 3 candles. So that one would have been a bit of a risky. Okay, and tagged out. So that was not a consolidation, so we're not counting that one. If it had just gone all the way up, then that would have actually been a little bit more luck than proper, so... Yeah, for fuck's sakes, it was going so well. I thought I had it down. What the shit? So it would have tagged me out. So if I'd made this a little bit longer, it would have been better. I'm basing it off of that. I mean, this isn't a consolidation, to be fair. I thought I had it down, and now it's come to be like, no. Guess it's the fun of trading. You think you have something good, and then it comes and it bites you in the ass, and it's really mean. Still not really consolidating. Okay, so it's gonna come take that liquidity, but then is it gonna drop? Adam Jordan, yes. Nope. ES's is a little bit further away, my guy. Did it take that? Kind of. Oh, yep, nope. Just missed. Or did it just take it? Bit of a guessing. Huh. Is this gonna be a consolidation? So this was... Where did I have this one? This one was... 2. No. Oh, that one was for that. Okay. Okay, so let's see. So I'm not putting any more trades in. Just fuck that. Down for my 50. Okay, at least we had one win today, right? Wasn't a spectacular win, but it was a win. Here we go. Okay. Probably would be more like there and there. Yeah, more like that. Okay. Let's see, hints are going for short, right? Let's do that. Place it there. Pop it there. Doesn't matter if I'm slow because we're just testing right now. 1.3. Make it a 1 hour. Let's see now. Especially when it's like this short, it's choppy again. Is this all because it's waiting for the news on Wednesday? If it is, then Thursday and Friday will be fun, but tomorrow is also just going to be a bunch of bullshit. Just saying. But then maybe then tomorrow's just a bunch of this, of just 1 hours. See if it's quick ones, quick wins. I do know you'll feel shit if you get it and it goes past it. Like imagine this as like a 1 hour. That would have sucked. Or that one as a 1 hour. That would have really sucked, but it's almost safer. Okay, so it would have been tagged in there. Watch it go for like a 3R now. Okay. Still would have been good, still would have been good. There we go. And then that would have been a win. Huh. Okay. So that one would have been a win. And now it's fucking around again. Okay, cool. So when it's like this, 1-to-1 seems to be the way to go. I mean, watch it just melt all the way now. Just because it can and because I fucking said something, but... Oh no. Yeah, 100%, obviously. Because I was like, we're just testing and I'm not going to put any trades in it. Was like, okay. Got it. Okay, 1-to-1s. Yeah, shit. I think 1-to-1s, especially when it's like this, seems to be the way. What the hell is it doing? Did someone take this as you will? Did an orange Teletubby say something? Why is it now jumping all over the place? Like, this is... Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, it's super volatile. Orange Teletubby. You just don't say the name, but people can assume about who an orange Teletubby may be. Because then I haven't said anything bad. Did it take that, or did it just miss it? It looks like it may have just taken it. May have just taken it. Mm. 100%, because I said enough now. Look at it go. Maybe it's just a thing that maybe just don't even bother being here until, what time is it now? Till like 5. Like, what the hell? Let's see how far down it goes though. I mean, with that, if it wasn't a 1R, I probably would have moved it to break even and that would have been a break even. You know, just before it had to start melting, obviously. Liquidity there. Let's take this still. Let's see where we are going with all this. Okay, moving on. Let's see what happened. Okay, is this gonna be a consolidation? A very big fucking one, but might be. Okay, that would have been the win with the 1R. It's a rather large one so far. I still think short, though. Jumping all over the bloody place. Yep, there we are. So hard to tell. Okay. I mean, there's still 20 seconds. Let's see. Oh, this market is crazy today. Anyways. Glad to know. I hope you're at least having some good trades being put in. Hopefully better than mine. Can't believe I missed those two in the beginning. That was, yeah. That was mean. But anyways. Again, just testing. Lost enough for today. It was one. So there would have been tagged in. Oh, okay. Probably wouldn't have moved it to break even. Break even should probably be around like halfway, especially with 1 hours. I mean, yeah. Nine seconds. Oh my gosh, and... Damn, okay, that would have been a loss, just. And then it goes down. So that one would have been a fail. Literally just. Just got tagged out. And then it goes all the way. Yep. I mean, if I'd made this maybe a little bit bigger, right? If I'd followed all the way, but then... So if I had, so it's now we're doing theoretical. Let's see. Hello? Oh my goodness. I'll let you come say hi to everyone now. If I'd had it like that, would have been tagged in, would have gone up, would have gone down. Okay, would have been a break even probably. Yeah. And look at it go. Oh, okay. Because that would be a bit big here. Yeah, okay. Probably would have been a break even, that one. Okay, cool. Still watching, figuring it out. One R's do seem to be the way to be going right now with how the market is, though. Ridiculous. Okay. Yeah. At least it won't be a loss, right? Break even's fine. These are equal highs now. New York high at the moment. I don't even have that. No, I should probably make one. Let me save this. Okie dokie. I got distracted. Okay. Let's see. Weep. Pressed the wrong thing. Wow, this market is shit today. Lack of a better word, it's just guck. Okay. Now it's doing this bouncing thing again. Okay. What time are you then gonna start trading? A little bit later when it stops doing this. ES had quite a nice day today. It had really decent candles. Went all the way up, all the way down. It was making more fucking sense than this. Sure. Oh, here's an order block. I really thought something would come up and tag this. Was that the order block I was thinking of? No, what was this one? No, I lied. It was that one. Fucking rubbish. What was this one? Let's see. Yep, it was this one. I thought it might be climbing for this order block to come and grab it and take that there. I mean, it still might be. There we go. There we go. It's better. Maybe that's what all the fighting is right now. Wow. This is absolutely rubbish. Okay. That would have been a win. Those also would have been wins, but, you know, let me sulk about that later. Is it consolidating again? I don't even know what it's doing. This is just yucky. Sure, ES is pumping though. Have a quick look here. Is it? I mean, it's doing a little bit better. Also consolidating a little bit though. Wow, this is brutal to watch. It's fine. Huh. This looks like it might be a proper consolidation forming here. I mean, theoretically, but me. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, because we're bearish. Let's go for the short again. Okay, 1 hour. Let's see, so still wouldn't be tagged in. Yeah. Because me pushing it a little bit, it's not the best consolidation block at the moment. Yeah, I don't know if I would really count that as consolidating, but the size of the block is not bad. If it keeps looking like this, then the size of the block is actually pretty decent. It's just to see now what would happen, right? Harmony. Oh. Okay. Let's see if we get it. Maybe not. is like sitting and watching the 5-minute candles, waiting for a fair value gap to pop up. I know this is obviously a little bit more exciting because it's 1 minute, it's quick, 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 quick. But there's just nothing fucking happening at the moment, sure. Okay, so would have been tagged in with this one. It is just gonna win because I haven't placed an order in. Let's watch, but I can tell you that's gonna happen now. And no, not yet. There. Okay. 1 hour. Apparently that seems to be the way to go at the moment. There would have been another one. I mean, watch, it's gonna keep fucking going down now. This is just the safer way to almost do it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. When the market's like this, I'll watch. That nice big one that we wanted here, it's gonna happen now. It's gonna go all the way down to this 1392. Not 13, just 392. Or not. It really just is all over the fucking place today. Oh my gosh. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, check there. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's call it, maybe let's do one. No. Fuck. Check at that. It's gonna do now what you wanted it to do earlier here, with this break even. It really is. I mean, the 1 hour is a safe way of going, right? So for now, while we're figuring out some things. Oh no, wait, check, it's gonna sweep liquidity here. No, 1 hour is a safe way. Okay, I'm calling it at that for today. I will see you back here. There it goes. Okay, I'll see you back here tomorrow then. Let's go do some back. Oh, you bitch. This is the trade I was waiting for with this. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, let me go back test the win rate with the 1 hour. 1 hour is not ideal, but if it's like 90% wins, it's pushing it, but if it's 90% wins, then it's worth doing it. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna call it at that for today. Hope you have an amazing evening. Let me go do some back testing by myself. Let me not bore you guys. Bye!